How to download WinRAR on a PC or laptop. First, everyone will open a browser. Next, everyone will go to the website rarlab.com. Click Download. Select WinRAR by 64-bit. This is the version for PC and laptop. After downloading, everyone should left-click the installer to start the installation. Select Yes. Click Install. Click OK. Click Done. That's it. We have successfully installed WinRAR on the PC or laptop. Now, everyone can use WinRAR to compress files, or use WinRAR to extract files. So, I've finished guiding everyone on how to download WinRAR on a PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all very much. Goodbye and see you next time.